नहीं, अब वहीं पर मैं आपको बात बताऊं, निशिकांत दुबे ने चाहे कुछ भी कहा हो, प्रकाशित किताबों से कहा, प्रकाशित किताबों के पन्नों से कहा, पब्लिश्ड बुक्स which are there out in the market. What Mr. Rahul Gandhi did is an unpublished book in Bharat. He tried to quote from that. Yes, the government may have jumped the gun. I agree. I'm not saying no. May have jumped. You're allowed that benefit of doubt, like many of our viewers. But sir, the leader opposition is not just. He is not the president of the Congress party. He is leader opposition. And did he deny the opposition a chance to corner the government? Sir, नहीं, आगामी चुनाव में कई सारे विपक्ष के पार्टीज हैं जो अपने आप को वहां सदन में अपनी बातें रखना चाहते थे टू कॉर्नर द गवर्नमेंट. आपने वो मौका नहीं करने दिया. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, थैंक यू फॉर योर पेशेंस. योर थॉट्स हियर. नाउ व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू चूज? Are we going to choose a party with a mob mentality which is bringing the mob and the streets into parliament? Or do you believe you're convinced with the Prime Minister saying that I've got a vision and a long-term one? I may not be there, but there will be a legacy that people will look back and Hindustan will thank me for.
Good evening, Anand, and good evening to my exalted fellow panelists. I speak purely as a layman. I want to put 2 or 3 points across. Number one, let's get one thing out of the way. This country needs an opposition, but not the kind of opposition that this country has. And it is very unfortunate that the kind of issues that this opposition, especially Rahul Gandhi and the Congress is raising, is not just embarrassing, it is an insult to concerned citizens like us who want to demand answers from our government. I'll give you 3 examples. Now, the fact of the matter is, if the opposition was serious, then the same Rahul Gandhi who is tom-tomming and brandishing General Narawane's book would have known that the same general also said, and I quote him verbatim, not a single inch of land of India was taken by China. Rahul Gandhi should have known this. And now I respect very much Mr. Beniwal. He is a very erudite person. And one of the perks of being an MP is कि आपको एक research team मिलती है. So it is quite embarrassing. I hope he doesn't mind my saying so कि अगर खुद इतने unprepared आए, अपनी टीम से कहते तैयार होके आए. अब मैं आपको 3 एग्जांपल देता हूं. बेनीवाल जी कह रहे हैं कि महंगाई इतनी बढ़ गई है. क्या इनको पता है या ये जाके रिसर्च कर लें कि लास्ट मंथ वाज द इन्फ्लेशन वाज द लोएस्ट एवर 0.3%. इनफैक्ट इतना कम इन्फ्लेशन हो गया है कि आरबीआई वरीड है कि भाई हमारा जो बैंड है इन्फ्लेशन का उससे बहुत नीचे जा रहा है. ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. नंबर 2, ये कह रहे हैं जॉब्स नहीं है. जो यूपीए ने ही क्लेम्स रिपोर्ट बनाई थी वो ही कह रहा है कि पिछले साल 46 मिलियन जॉब्स वर गिवन. दिस इज द फैक्ट. नंबर 3, अब ये कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ कुछ उद्योगपतियों के लिए सरकार चलती है. अब मैं इनको ये चीज दिखाना चाहता हूं. ये फोटो देखिए जरा. एक साइड पे तो देख सकते हैं बेनीवाल जी अदानी है. बेनीवाल जी दूसरी साइड पे कौन है? चाहे आप बताना ना चाहे, लेकिन मैं आपको बताता हूं, ये कांग्रेस के चीफ मिनिस्टर है रेवंत रेड्डी. और ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये एमओयू साइन कर रहे हैं एक कोट अनकोट करप्ट उद्योगपति से 12,500 करोड़ का. तो अगर आप जिसको करप्ट कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं, उनसे आप 12,500 करोड़ का एमओयू क्यों साइन कर रहे हैं? और चौथी बात, ये राहुल गांधी को पता होना चाहिए. देखिए पिछले 6 महीने से चिल्ला चिल्ला के कह रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई स्विच टू हिंदी, माय अपॉलॉजीज. ये कह रहे हैं कि पिछले 6 महीने से कि रशियन ऑयल मत खरीदो, डोंट बाय रशियन ऑयल बिकॉज द प्रॉफिट्स आर गोइंग टू द एलीट, व्हिच इज ए कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग, बिकॉज the country has saved $26 billion by switching to the more discounted Russian oil in the last 3 years. Now they are saying buy Russian oil because don't buy what America is saying. So on one hand you want to criticize the something that the government has been doing, but then you suddenly take a U-turn and start criticizing the government for not doing what it was doing. This is the problem with this country. And finally I want to tell one thing, just 30 seconds, to the BJP as well. I think it is fantastic that the Prime Minister and his team has signed, I think, 8 FTAs in the last 5 years. Is great. We have opened a door, so Indians are looking at potentially an amazing world marketplace. But ma'am, unless we are prepared to compete in that marketplace, we will be goners. And right now, with the policies that we have, with the limited reforms that we are doing, I'm sorry, we are not going to be able to compete to take a pie of that world market. But the irony is, all the reforms needed in this country, Rahul Gandhi opposes it. For example, privatization, for example, farm laws, for example, land acquisition, and the government is very happy to listen to these people. This is the problem in this country. The citizen is being burnt at both ends of the candle. On one hand, the ruling party is burning it, on the other hand, the opposition burning it. वैक्स नीचे गिर रहा है बस.
Well, I've run out of time. Dr. Jaishankar has tweeted on the trade deal. We'll play that out in